All right, boys and girls, we're going to start with our calendar. Let's make a calendar today.
Yippee! It's April 2020. Let's make a calendar.
Ready? We have
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
What day of the week is it today? We're starting a new week, so today is Monday.
Great job! Today is Monday, April 27th, 2020.
Okay, we are going to count where we're going to clap to the number 27. That's a big one today.
Monday.
Ready? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Great counting, boys
27.
and girls.
Great job.
27. Okay, we are going to point on your screen to Monday like this. Great job pointing to Monday. Good work.